Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing, bud?
Jacking her up.
Jacking her up. Why?
Cause you race it, break it, fix it, repeat usually.
I did?
Yeah, again.
I do have that sign there.
What'd you do?
Richard, what'd you do?
Why are we jacking up, putting on jack stands again?
You should try to put it in 5th gear. I think we have 2 neutrals now.
You're trying now. No.
Does that feel like? Just feel like Jello?
Yeah.
But it's brand new.
Brand new used?
How many miles are on it?
Brand new used?
No, brand new.
Brand new used?
Like brand new.
How many miles did you put on it? I don't know, what the break-in period was it?
500. Yeah.
Used?
Yeah. Freshly reused. So, lost 5th gear. Not sure what happened, but we're taking the transmission out. Brand new TKX, 500 miles on it. American Powertrain is going to take it back and check it, see if it's under warranty. So hopefully it is. Looks like there's glitter in there.
Oh. Grab that flashlight.
That's not good at all.
Nope.
You want to grab a magnet, Kai?
Is that just the oil? Is there like a consistency in the oil?
Yeah, it could be the brass. So
It's definitely not.
it could be the synchro brass,
Yeah.
because if it's not magnetic, plus you didn't exactly get 100%. I mean, you didn't clean it. You cleaned the tub, but you didn't clean the tub super good. Yeah.
It came out clear as shit.
I bet you it's the brass.
You think so?
If that 5th gear shifted and you got nothing in there, I bet you it fucked up. Maybe the synchro for 5th.
Well, that's awesome. I want to open this up and see. So this will be the telltale as far as if it's a shifter lug problem. Something easy. That really sucks. So let's see if we can. I'm not a smart man, but it looks like that nut backed off on 5th gear and got into the case. But you can see, maybe you can, I'll put my light in there, and see right down in there, there's just a ton of brass in there, and I don't know where that came from. I had an accident, I bled all over the floor. Hey, you know what? This fluid looks pretty good.
That's because we already poured all
Yeah.
all the glitter went inside.
Look at that. Look at the glitter paint. Oh, that's so good. Dude, that's so bad. I've never seen a manual transmission have fluid like that.
You should paint your car that color.
I should. Here.
These lugs aren't coming off.
Oh, that one I didn't get out all the way.
Ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Sure doesn't look like that nut's on there. Oh yeah, look it.
Look how far.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
What in the hell? I wonder how the inside of the case looks, dude.
Well, we can borescope it right here.
Oh my gosh. That's exactly what happened. They didn't even look at the inside. It ain't even dimpled on the inside. They hit it there, but it's not.
They didn't hit it hard enough.
They sure as hell didn't hit it hard enough. You know what I've seen? So I was watching one of the Boosted Boys videos, and they had the same thing on their sequential transmission. Don't tell me we freaking smoked that.
No, that's.
This
is your whole synchro.
On their sequential transmission, Justin, they have the same nut on the backside of one of their gears, and it's got the same sort of a dimple nut. You know what they did? They tacked this nut onto the shaft because they had two different transmissions where this backed off and it destroyed the transmission. Dude, I'm so lucky that I wasn't getting on it or beating the hell out of it. Look at that. Dude, any more?
That would have came through.
Oh yeah, that would have came straight through the case.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What in the hell? So that nut right here just ground itself into the case because they didn't dimple that enough. What a piss poor job. And I say this with complete love because the last TKO I got from them, damn near bulletproof. But what in the hell? Like, I am surprised that didn't come out the back of the case. That pisses me off. There's not even, like, you can see they dimpled it on this side, but it didn't even come through to, like... Well, here we are the next day, dealing with warranty crap with the American Powertrain and then trying to get this working. So, I went to a machine shop where there was a guy far older and wiser than I. Emphasis on the wiser, not much older. But he told me this nut to clean the threads up, to put it on backwards, fiddle thread on. And look at that, it went right on, clean the threads up. So now what I've got to do is take it off, and then we'll be able to torque it down and get it back together as is. Now the problem that we're running into is parts. Not just parts, but also somebody that gives enough of a crap in the warranty and service department to help us out with getting this fixed. They're going to comp some parts, but they don't know if they have them in stock, they don't know where they're at, and they don't know when they'll be able to get them to us. So it's kind of what we're waiting on right now. Well, we just got the new tail shaft housing and a couple of other parts from American Powertrain finally. There's the old one back there, new one right here, and then we've got a couple of other parts that we got over here. We ended up with a reverse gear, new nut. What's interesting is I see this thing comes pre-dimpled, and then you're supposed to dimple it more so it locks onto the shaft, and that's probably what they didn't do. Cleaned out the gear box of the old one. We've got it bagged up here ready to go, and we're going to get started on this. So we'll see you guys in the next video for a test drive and making sure everything's good. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys later.